Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about some relevancy of OPS in Lok Sabha elections 2024. So friends, according to Deccan Herald News article, so this is a news article by Deccan Herald and all quotation and credit to the Deccan Herald. So friends, today in this article I am going to only discuss about the old pension scheme as the Congress manifesto has not mentioned any relevancy for old pension scheme. So before the Lok Sabha elections or in the term of or in mid of the elections, Vidhan Sabha elections of Madhya Pradesh, and amid those time elections or before elections, like you can see the elections of Himachal and other states, we have seen that only OPS was the mayor or the merely option for government employees to put their opinion for any party or any biggest issue countrywide. So after the elections completion in Madhya Pradesh and those states that are large in size like Uttar Pradesh or Uttarakhand, OPS issue has been dimmed or faded gradually. So as per the Congress manifesto of Lok Sabha election 2024, the government of central government has already put a review committee for reviewing OPS for conversion of NPS to OPS or bringing AP model, Andhra model, that is known as guaranteed pension scheme. So the drafting committee of Congress manifesto P. Chidambaram ji has told that since the committee is under review, so it was premature for him to comment on OPS. So as we can see that the issue or the voice against OPS has been faded after the elections in Madhya Pradesh and some other states. Like no public wanted OPS as a country issue or a big issue, and this was also considered as the hazard and obstacle in development of country. So this is also a reason that political parties have also now started ignoring OPS topic, and there is a huge chance that the government or those states where OPS is implemented, like Rajasthan, Fiji and or Himachal Pradesh, those states can be reverted towards NPS again. So before some time, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Gehlot ji, ex-CM of Rajasthan, has already told that he is in doubt that would the government of newly government of Rajasthan would eradicate OPS and bring back NPS, or OPS will continue. He has doubt actually. So this is the recent date on OPS, and actually the committee or the OPS committee that is study of NPS and OPS and bringing the hybrid model of these models or these pension schemes, this review committee has brought by the government for more than a year, but there is no any final report or update on it. So it's really disappointing for government employees of central government as well as for the state government employees, because there is less chance of restoring OPS again in future, and there is a huge probability that those states where OPS is implemented again can be reverted to NPS. So it's current update on OPS.